You guys mind being on YouTube? I have a present for you.
We have an emergency. Maybe we'll come back.
All right.
I gotta pee.
Oh, you gotta pee? Yeah. So Christmas was last week, right? And I'm still in the festive mood. I'm still in the Christmas mood. That's why today we're giving away all this stuff to strangers. It's gonna be a really funny video. I've been wanting to do this video forever. It's gonna be awesome. We're giving away a bunch of different products. We're giving away a bunch of products from ESR like this wireless charger. Before I actually start with the video, I just wanted to let you know that I'm actually giving away a pair of ESR earphones. They are really, really good. All you have to do is follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. That's it. That's all you have to do. So go do it. All right, so what am I giving away to strangers? Well, I'm giving away a bunch of stuff. I'm giving away 20 bucks. It's gonna be funny to see how they react to just a stranger giving them 20 bucks. I'm giving away Beats Solo 3s. I'm giving away a bunch of products from ESR, such as iPhone cases, the wireless charger that I showed you before. It's super skinny once again. I'm giving away an Eve Thermo, which you can actually control your thermostat from with Siri. You can tell Siri to turn off or turn up your thermostat. A bunch of iPhone cases, as I said, AirPods cases, AirPods Pro cases. Also, this stuff. Now, what the heck is all of this clothing? Why am I giving away clothing? Well, I'm very glad you asked, because if you come up, hello. Well, this is actually smart clothing. This is actually a heated vest. There's a shirt, there's a jacket, and there's a really, really big jacket. This one is the best, so I can actually put my jacket over this. And as you guys can see, I feel like Iron Man right now because this is heating and I feel cool, and this is smart. It's cool. It's heated, and I'm never gonna be cold again. Actually, I have a cold right now because I didn't wear this before. So if you don't want a cold, you can get this. Links in the description. Once again, all of these products will be linked down in the description. So yeah, I guess we can officially start off the video and start giving away all this stuff to strangers. I feel like they're gonna be really awkwarded up. Let's do it. Can you guys shut up? All right, check this out. I put all the presents, everything that I have inside of this grandma grocery store type of thing. At least it fits and it works. Anyways, we're gonna go to Paseo de Gracia now, which is where all the English people, basically all the tourists are. And you know, if I give presents here, everybody speaks Spanish here, so I can't really, you know, the channel's in English. So I'm actually gonna go to the Apple Store, which is where Paseo de Gracia is. So Siri, take me to the Apple Store in Paseo de Gracia.
Transporting you now. Snap your fingers.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa. Well, I guess we're here. Okay, let's give away some stuff. The first thing that we're gonna be giving away is the Eve Thermo. Let's find somebody. Let's do it. This is more awkward than it seemed. For sure. There we go. Yes, we finally find somebody. You mind being in front of the camera?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, this is Eve Thermo.
Yeah.
You just connect this to your thermostat.
Uh-huh.
And you can connect it with Siri, and you can tell Siri to turn it off and on.
Okay.
It's free.
It's
all
for
for
free.
you.
Thank you.
Christmas.
Thank you.
There you go, man.
For you
Happy
too.
New Year.
Bye.
I have a present for you.
Oh,
It's free.
okay.
I saw you had AirPods Pro, right? AirPods Pro?
Yeah.
This is an AirPods Pro case for you. Merry Christmas.
Oh. Thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Oh.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
All right.
Wow.
There you go, man.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Merry Christmas. You guys mind being on YouTube? I have a present for you.
We have an emergency. Maybe we'll come back.
All right.
I gotta pee.
Oh, you gotta pee?
Oh,
Yeah, you can pee in the Apple Store.
Okay.
You have an iPhone?
Yes.
Well, this is a free wireless charger for you, man. It's Christmas. I'm just giving away free stuff to people. This is for you.
Excellent.
It's pretty cool because it's thin. You can travel with it. It's for you.
I appreciate it.
There you go.
You like getting picked up?
Happy New Year, too.
Happy New Year.
Goodbye, man. All right, let's continue giving away free stuff. You guys mind being on YouTube? Excuse me. Do you guys want free stuff? I'm totally giving away free stuff. Free stuff.
Cosas gratis.
You guys mind being on YouTube?
Pues no, gracias.
Free stuff, man. You missed it. What if I was giving away like a free iPhone? Would people still not? This is crazy. All right, I think people are scared that they just don't see it, so I'm just gonna go all out. I'm gonna give away the ESR earphones to one lucky person. Excuse me, do you guys want this? Nope, do you guys want this? He wants it. He wants it. This is a present for you, man. This is my Christmas present to you. You want a hug? Happy New Year. Thank you. Did you need earphones? Where are this? They're good. Oh. ESR headphones. Yes, there they are. There you go, man. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You know what? I'm done. Okay, it's time to give them the cash. Let's see if people will actually take the cash now. It's time to give them 20 bucks. People don't want material. Let's see if people want money. Okay? Who should be the lucky person? Who?
The guy on the bicycle.
The guy on the bicycle. You want 20 bucks? You want 20 bucks? This is for you, man. Okay.
Then?
You guys want 20 euros? For free. Okay. Dude, there we go. We finally got one. People didn't want to take it. Happy New Year.
Oh, thank you.
Are you gonna split it with her? Or just for you?
For us.
That's
Thank
a good
you,
guy
goodbye.
right there. Excuse me. We're giving away free stuff. You want free stuff? You want free stuff? I'm giving away free stuff. No? No? I've got a bunch of stuff.
Okay,
You guys want an iPhone case, a free jacket?
A free jacket. It's cold outside.
Check this out. This jacket, I have one right here. The coolest thing about this is that it's actually heated.
Okay. Oh, really?
Yeah. See? It's actually heating.
That's perfect.
Alright, let's see. This is a vest. You guys, are you okay with the vest?
Yeah, of course.
It's big.
Yeah,
Look at that.
fit me though. This one heated too?
Yeah. You can charge it via USB. And if you want like unlimited battery, you can just plug in a battery pack.
okay, so it's okay, nice.
Ah, that looks good.
Yeah, thank you.
And that looks good.
What a nice thing.
Well, Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Happy New Year.
Oh, very nice. Thank you.
There you go. A free case.
Yes.
There we go.
What is this?
Maya. It's a free case.
Oh, thank you.
Do you want it? Do you want a
I
case
need
as well?
this.
Do you want a case as well?
No.
No? It's free.
It's usable.
Oh Maya, you should probably get that.
Thank you, lol.
Is this for your phone?
Yes.
Yeah? Well, high five.
Thank you very much.
Alright, Maya was the actual one who was recording all of this, and she was jealous, and she wanted the ESR wireless charger, so
Oh
here you
my
go.
god! You know how much this is gonna save my life from finding the wire every time now? Thank you.
You're
It
welcome.
wasn't drugs.
Say thank you, ESR.
Thank you, ESR. You're so nice, and this is such a nice gesture. I'm so excited!
She's overreacting because nobody has literally been reacting. It's just been like boring.
I'm so excited!
There you go, that's the best reaction that we're gonna get. Smart light bulb, it changes color for your house. It's awesome. You should be happy. Thank you. This is a wireless charger. You guys want a free wireless charger? It's awesome. Are you gonna split it? It's actually heated. It keeps warm. It's warm. It's a smart t-shirt. For free? It's for free. It's Christmas. Thank you. How about I have a case, but this is for the iPhone. Is this your iPhone?
No iPhone.
AirPods? No AirPods?
No.
No? You're welcome. Oh, I want a hug. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yay, we finally got somebody. And how about these? We've got a case for the iPhone 10, 11, 11, and a free AirPods Pro case. And I'm actually gonna give it away to you guys. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, once again, all you guys have to do is go follow me on Twitter and go follow me on Instagram, and this will be for you. To one lucky winner. I'm actually gonna choose a winner for this, a winner for this, a winner for this, a winner for this. So you guys have actually a lot of chances. Actually, not a lot, because there's actually gonna be a lot of people entering this, but it's still easy to enter. So go follow me. Now, links in the description.
The next day.
Alright, and to finish off the video, these are Chenia's sisters, by the way. And I know they wanted earphones, so instead of giving them to strangers, I'll give them to you. Oh!
Sí.
Yes, yes.
Also, they have a TikTok account. If you guys want to go follow them, links in the description. Go check them out. All right, guys. So a couple days have passed from the last time I actually recorded the video, and you know, the reactions of the video were kind of sucked. And the thing that I'm about to give Victor, I was gonna give it to a stranger, But I mean, since the reaction sucked and I didn't want to give this big of a price to a stranger and then the reaction being suckish, Victor, he has no idea what's going on. Here is Beats Solo 3s for you.
What?
That's for you, Victor.
Eh.
Hopefully his
No,
reaction.
really or no?
Yeah, this is real.
Yeah.
Apple's excited.
Okay. Hold
I
on.
was honestly super mad. Like literally everybody's reactions were so bad.
Yeah.
And I literally had to beg for people to keep them. Here they are. Beats, and you wanted them in gold, right?
Yeah.
And boom. This is for you. And you know the Beats Solo Pros that I have don't actually have an aux cord. So these are actually
Oh yeah.
pretty good. Because you can actually have it. They have the W1 chip. Amazing stuff. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, of course, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, there's still some things that I'm still gonna give away, so go follow me on Twitter and go follow me on Instagram if you guys just wanna enter that giveaway. Beats for you. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, whatever. I'm so done with this video. Nobody wanted my presents.